Hey everybody, this is Tim Pulaski with TriMech, and today we're going to be taking a look at how to create libraries within SOLIDWORKS Electrical. Now, one really great way of finding what you need when working within a project is by using libraries. So if I were going to introduce a new symbol into this design, I could browse by its name or other various properties, but one really great property to use is library. So if I had my own library, like the one I have here for TriMech, it becomes very, very easy to find the symbols that I need very quickly and use them in my design. So let's talk a little bit about how to set these up for yourselves. To do so, you don't even really need a project open at the time. What I can do is come up to my Library tab and select the Libraries Manager. This is an application setting that's going to create libraries across all projects, so you only have to do this once. Inside the Libraries Manager, I click on New and give my new library a set of properties. So I'm going to call this, just for purposes of this video, we'll say new library. Excuse me. And I can give it a description if I want, but it's not really necessary. Down below, I can define what objects this is going to hold. Now, if this is just your company library and it's going to hold everything, you just leave everything selected and you say OK. But you can create different libraries for different things if you need that granularity. So maybe I'll want just one library for my title blocks or one library for all my macros. Again, it's just another search filter that I can use to help me find what I need. Once I create that, that ends up in the list of libraries for my entire system. Now, to start using this again inside of a project, inside of my project template specifically, what I can also do is I can define what libraries a project has access to. So although I defined that at the top level, I can click on my Configurations button beneath the Project tab inside of an active project, likely my template, and come over to the very far right tab called Libraries and Palettes. Inside of here, I can exclude certain libraries that I'm not interested in seeing when browsing for symbols or title blocks or things of that nature. So what a really good practice is to do is to actually go into the default libraries and find the stuff that you need and add it to your own library such that you can always find what you need at a glance. You can then turn off the default libraries, in the example of maybe I don't use IEC standardized symbols, so maybe I can just turn off IEC and hide those. So that just reduces the clutter when browsing for symbols that I actually do need. Okay, so hopefully this has been a helpful tip for you guys. My name's been Tim Pulaski, and I'll see you next time.